So what a unicorn project means is that we get to $1 billion valuation. And we're really focused on getting there by creating millionaires out of the people that are part of our group. But it's a solid investment because we're not promising easy money. We're not giving away free money on the corner for everyone to sign up because these are the red flags of projects that may not last, right? This reminds me of a saying that my grandfather always said, if it's too good to be true, sometimes it is. And I think it's very important, like I mentioned previously, to understand the risk, to understand the technology, and to really manage that risk and not put in more than you're willing to risk, right? We're very focused at AURUM on protecting the downside of the investment. So definitely not a scam project, definitely focused on bringing real value to our users. We need to understand what these risks are and then understand what our appetite for this type of risk is. And so this is the first thing that's very important at AURUM, is understanding the risks. There's risks in everything in life.
Good afternoon. My name is Oksana Boyko. This is my podcast, Conscious Investments. Today we're talking about the AURUM project. And we're speaking with the CEO of this project, BrianBenson. Brian.
Hi.
Hi, Brian. Please tell me what makes the AURUM project unique compared to other projects currently on the market.
Well, there's quite a few things that are unique about the project. The first thing is that AURUM is building an ecosystem, not just a trading bot or a simple project. So I think it's important for us to, when we talk about AURUM, to talk about the family of products that we're creating and not simply the product itself, which is the AI bot, the trading bot, which was the first one that we launched, but talking about how we're building an ecosystem of products. Not just one product. So to me, this is the first thing that's unique, is we're building many products, not one. The second thing that I think is unique is that we're focused on building a financial unicorn. So what this means is we're looking to get 1,000 millionaires in the growth of the company. So these are two of the things I think that are very unique about the project.
Let's talk about the results as of today. The company has been around for over a year now. And what has AURUM achieved? What results are there?
Well, we've achieved a lot in the first 2 years. As you know, AURUM was started in December of 2023, and the traders that started it and the investors that started it started to test the products. In December of 2024, we launched the pre-launch of the product, and since then we've had great success, not only with bringing over users, we're over 5,000 users right now, so leaders, people that are really interested in growing the project, but also in growing their own businesses. But we've also had more than $20 million in trading volume over the last 7 months. So we feel like these two together are very exciting. And then the most important thing is that we've launched several products. So we've launched the AI bot, we've launched the Flash bot, but we've also launched our neobank, we've launched our staking opportunity, we've launched our blockchain and our token. So all of these things together are very good for us because we've done a lot of work in a short amount of time.
How can someone start investing with AURUM? Let's talk about the entry point.
Well, the first thing that you need to do to get started with AURUM is to buy the license. So you sign up with our backend with your email, a very simple sign up and password, and you create a username. Then you have to pay a very small fee of less than $20 to get a license to be able to operate on the back end. And then it requires an investment based on your risk profile. So anywhere from $100 to $100,000, you're able to invest this and start to gain rewards on the different types of products that we have inside of AURUM. So, but before even this, I would recommend that people do research on the project and on the ecosystem so that they understand and know really well what they're getting into. So first step, educate yourselves. Second step, buy the license so that you can have access to the products. And then the third step is decide which type of investment is right for you. Go ahead and invest that and start to use the ecosystem to gain